Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Rhyming words. Which words rhyme? Are you ready? Let's begin. The dog jumps on a log. The dog jumps on a log. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, dog and log. Let's read them together. Dog, log. The hen has 10 eggs. The hen has 10 eggs. What are the words that rhyme? That's right, hen and 10. Let's read together. Hen, 10. The red ball is small. The red ball is small. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, ball and small. Let's read together. Ball, small. The mouse is in the house. The mouse is in the house. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, mouse and house. Let's read together. Mouse, house. The fox is in the box. The fox is in the box. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, fox and box. Let's read together. Fox, box. I see a bee in the tree. I see a bee in the tree. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, see, bee, and tree. Let's read together. See, bee, tree. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. What are the words that rhyme in this sentence? That's right, cat, sat, and mat. Let's read together. Cat, sat, mat. You are the best! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.